What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Kareem. Don't forget, it's the first time stopping by, hit that subscribe button, the like. You guys want to comment. So I'm going up to the 360 Customs right now to put it back on the dyno. Just got the cats cut off, so I want to see how much I gain. If not, probably didn't gain nothing. So we're about to go find out right now. I got some people with me. Say what's up.
Yo, what's good? It's Chris with the Destroyer Great Daytona.
Go follow him on Instagram.
CBs392.
And he got a YouTube channel.
No.
With the
with the Call of Duty stuff. Yeah. Birdman392 is the YouTube channel.
Yeah. So, and I got my son back there. He gonna be riding with us today. Say what's up. Say what's up. Yeah, he acting crazy. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go up there right now. See what type of numbers I'm making with the cat delete. And yeah, guys, we're just gonna get into this video. Let's go. All right, guys, we out here at 360 Custom. About to put the car on the dyno. Pulling it in right now. Stay over here. Look, the car coming. Look, the car coming. Here you go. Guys, so they putting it up there right now. Guess they gotta strap it down. We're gonna see how much power it's making to the wheels, so we're gonna get into it. So before I was here, I think the most I made was 457 to the wheels, and I think it was 445 torque. So doing a cat delete to it, we're about to see how much we're making, and yeah. Hopefully I gain maybe 15 or 10. So hopefully we're about to see it. Say what's up. Say what's up. Shy. Sorry guys, they about to set it up. We're gonna get right back to you. They got a couple cars in here. Corvette out. It's the Pontiac, the Corvette. So they got a classic in here. I see, it's a good shot. Then they got a supercharged Camaro back there too, so. Just got dyno that Corvette. I think this orange one right here just got done pushing like 7 something to the wheels, so this ain't no joke. This is fast, boy. It's fast. Where you going? The puddle? Yeah. Yeah, guys, he's just wrapping it up right now. Let's see. What's up? 15. Jackson. What's going on, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good.
How you doing?
Where you going? Oh. Alright guys, about to do the first pull right now. That was a test run. I think it's 414. Yeah, that was a test run. So that was a test run. It showed 414, but I was making like 460, so I don't think that's right. I had a test run, made 414, 403 out there. So come on. Come on. Huh? What's that? Hell no. Yeah, I saw that. Come back, come back. What's the last one, the newest one, right?
The red one is the red.